In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Lovable project's static website files from GitHub. Start by opening lovable.dev on your PC and logging in using your regular account. A desktop browser makes this easiest to follow. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where your projects or apps are listed. Click the project you want to export. This opens the project workspace so you can access integrations and source controls connected to it. Inside the project, look for the option labeled GitHub or Connect to GitHub. This is what links your project to a GitHub repository so you can access the files. Click it. If this is your first time connecting, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect and when prompted, approve the connection. You'll be taken to a GitHub authorization screen where you confirm access. Make sure you're approving with the GitHub account that should own the repository for this project. Approving grants the necessary permissions so Lovable can create or link the repo behind the scenes. Once connected, click View on GitHub. This takes you directly to the repository for your project. You'll now be on GitHub looking at the repo that holds your code. Here you can browse the files, read the README, and confirm everything looks right. If your project was previously connected, you might have skipped straight to this view, which is perfectly fine. To download everything as a single package, find the green code button near the top right of the file list and click it. In the dropdown, choose Download Zip. GitHub will bundle the entire repository into a compressed zip file and begin downloading it to your computer. This is a convenient way to grab all the files without using Git tools. When the download finishes, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder and unzip it on your PC. On most systems, double-clicking the zip extracts it. On Windows, you can right-click and choose Extract All. On macOS, the archive utility will expand it automatically. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find your static website files. These typically include an index.html file, style sheets, JavaScript, images, and any assets your site needs. From here, you can open the site locally in your browser, make edits in a code editor, or upload the files to your hosting provider. And that's it. You opened lovable.dev, connected your project to GitHub, viewed the repository, downloaded the zip, and unzipped it to access your static website files.